There's good news on the horizon for people with peanut allergies. Researchers right here in Indianapolis have been taking part in a trial for a patch that could really help people with severe allergies.
Yeah, now Rachel Krause explains the massive impact it's already had on a family right here in Indiana.
Like most moms, Gina Shields is protective over her daughter Scarlett. When she was diagnosed with a peanut allergy as a toddler, that drive to protect her only grew stronger.
We carry 2 EpiPens all the time. We read all the labels of everything.
Her family always careful to avoid unknown foods and keep a close eye on Scarlett, hoping to fend off a dangerous, even deadly anaphylactic reaction.
It's pretty scary. I mean, when we first figured out she was allergic, it was pretty overwhelming. She was about 15 months old, and it was kind of a traumatic experience for us. And there was just a lot of unknowns, how do we keep her safe?
Dr. Kirsten Klepfer sees patients at Riley with severe peanut allergies just like Scarlett every day.
The biggest question I have, and a lot of researchers right now have, is how to prevent this from continuing throughout their entire life, and can we stop it early on.
Her work as a physician scientist has connected Dr. Klepfer with top food allergy researchers around the country. When they reached out about a new peanut allergy patch, she knew it could make a massive impact on her patients.
It would be very nice because right now when we diagnose someone with peanut allergy, if they're under the age of 4, we don't have any treatment options. And so right now it's prescribing an EpiPen, warning them about reading labels. We never know exactly how much peanut it's going to take to produce the reaction because every child is a little different.
Conducting trial studies in young children here in Indianapolis and in 50 other locations around the world, Dr. Klepfer says Scarlett was a perfect fit to test this patch. They'd stick a patch on Scarlett's back with 1/1000th of a peanut protein inside, exposing her to low doses of peanut every day for a year. And it helped.
It's made a big difference.
And she wasn't alone. Dr. Klepfer says their study found by the end of the year, 67% of the children on the peanut patch were able to tolerate larger doses of peanut.
Surprised and excited that this could be a potential treatment in the future.
Scarlett's progress bringing relief to the Shields family.
I've heard stories about, kids that have accidentally had the Chips Ahoy with peanut butter cups in them, and it's been fatal. And it's so to know if that happened, she'd have this extra layer of protection.
The results of the first year of their study were recently published in the New England Journal of Medicine. And now the IU School of Medicine is helping enroll 4 to 7-year-olds for another trial of the patch. Dr. Klepfer says the research they're conducting now could lead to helping many with peanut allergies down the road.
This would actually give us something to help families.
Gina says Scarlett was able to continue on with the study for another 2 years. She says they're grateful for the difference it's made for her health and quality of life.
Now she's in elementary school and she's going to camps in the summer, and it's, her environment's not as controlled as it was when she was younger, so we really have to, it's comforting to know we have a little bit more protection if she were to accidentally eat a peanut.
In Indianapolis, Rachel Krause, 13 News.
Yeah, I have a niece that has a peanut allergy, so anything like this that can help her is definitely positive.
Oh, for sure, because it can be scary if it's an accidental, especially.
Well, and you have to be very careful that if you're really allergic, that there's nothing that was cooked with or any sort of cross-contamination that might have just a little bit of peanut in it, So it is, you have to be very, very, very diligent and careful. So hopefully that will help a lot of folks.
Yeah, nice to know that the game changer is made here in Indy.
Yeah.